To borrow, or not to borrow? Hello, may I speak to Albert?
Speaking. Who's calling?
Hi Albert, my name is Christine. I'm calling from a reliable bank. Do you have time to talk now?
What's up?
Our bank has a special loan promotion with attractive interest rate. Will you be interested?
Sorry, I've no interest in it.
We offer the lowest interest rate in the market. Do you have any urgent need of money?
Well, not at the moment. I do not have such a need.
As the interest rate is so attractive, it may be good for you to make use of the low-cost loan smartly.
There is no free lunch. I still have to repay the principal and interest. Right?
Yes. You can consider our offer to realize your short-term or long-term dreams.
I do not think so.
Even if you do not have urgent need, do you have any plan to decorate your home, further your studies, or invest in stocks?
Honestly, it's not appropriate for me to borrow more than my actual need.
Our application process is very simple. You need not submit any document for approval.
When taking out a loan, it's a serious decision for me. It may affect my financial health in the future.
I understood your concern.
I've to compare rates with different banks. By the way, do you mean that it's a pre-approved loan?
Yes. It has been approved by our bank. If you can confirm me via the phone now, you can enjoy an extra rebate of $500.
Why can I get the pre-approved loan?
As you're our credit card customer, you've already provided proof to our bank before. Hence, we trust your information. You are our selected customer to get the special offer.
No wonder. I got your point.
The funds can be deposited to your bank's account within 1 day.
It's so efficient.
We've flexible repayment period ranging from 6 months to 5 years. You can select the period based on your preference.
Is the interest rate the same for those repayment periods?
If you select to repay the loan in 2 years, the interest rate is the lowest. Please imagine that you can achieve your long-term goal now. Are you excited?
How attractive is the rate?
Our annual interest rate is as low as 2%. You can't get the offer elsewhere. You can make use of the funds to achieve your financial or life goals. Some of my clients use the funds to renovate their houses, take up a master course, and purchase stocks for investment. With the increase of cash flow, you may think of the plan that you haven't thought of it before. Our flexible repayment period reduces your financial burden. One of my clients cashed out the funds to buy a new car. He chose to repay the loan in 5 years. You can select the repayment period that best suits your circumstances. If you consider to further your studies, you can make use of the low-cost funds to upgrade yourself. Learning is always the most valuable asset. You'll be more competitive in the job market after equipping with the right knowledge and qualification. Another client made use of the funds to invest in securities. He purchased stocks that were undervalued and earned promising profits.
No kidding. There is no guarantee of profits. I think borrowing money to invest is very risky. Investment involves risks. I may lose all of my money.
I would like to shed you some lights when considering the usage of the funds. As the interest rate is low, you can achieve your goals now, rather than waiting for 3 or 5 years later.
Anyway, it should not be an ad hoc decision. It seemed to me that borrowing money was not absolutely necessary at the moment. Is there any minimum loan amount?
No. It's up to your need. If you consider to repay the loan in 2 years, the interest rate is the lowest.
Although I have the ability to repay it, I still do not borrow more than my actual need. I'll not apply for the loan just because of the cash rebate or other gimmicks.
Our bank has received many awards before. We're renowned for the outstanding customer service in the banking industry. We do not have any hidden fee. Please trust me and you can rest assured.
If I suddenly lose my job and cannot repay it on time, my credit score will be affected adversely. I may not be able to get better rate if I borrow money in the future. Right?
Yes, you're right. As our interest rate is low, your cost of funds is actually not huge.
Anyway, I would like to make comparison with other banks as well.
Please note that our offer lasts until the end of the month. You should not miss this limited time opportunity.
Okay. I'm enlightened by your examples. I've to work out my affordable repayment amount in a monthly basis. Could you please send the offer with terms and conditions for my review?
Sure. I can send the details via instant message. Is it fine with you?
Yes, it's great.
Meanwhile, my staff ID is 1234, and my direct line is 123456. You can verify my identity by calling back the bank.
Thank you. I'll spend some time to review the details.
If you've any questions, please let me know anytime. You can reach me via phone or email.
Thanks for your detailed introduction. I really appreciate your professional advice.
It's my pleasure. Looking forward to your reply.
Family wealth growth. Good morning, sir. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding. It's an exciting time.
Good morning. Thank you.
I understand you'd like to plan for your family's financial future. What brings you in today?
Yes. I want to explore financial solutions for my future family. I want us to grow wealth while ensuring health protection and planning for children's development. The thing is, I don't know where to begin.
That's perfectly okay. It's great that you're starting early. You're laying the foundation for a secure and prosperous family life. Family financial planning is critical because it allows you to protect your loved ones, achieve life goals, and handle unexpected events without unnecessary stress. Let's break it into stages to make it manageable. How does that sound?
Sounds good. I'm all ears.
Excellent. First, as you're building a family, creating an emergency fund is essential. It serves as a safety net for unexpected events like medical emergencies or sudden expenses. Do you have one set up already?
Not yet. What should the emergency fund cover?
Ideally, it should cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, such as rent, groceries, bills, and anything essential. Setting this up now can save you a lot of stress later. Having this financial cushion ensures that you don't have to rely on debt in times of crisis. We can open a separate savings account for this purpose with competitive interest rates.
That sounds like a smart move. What else should I focus on when starting a family?
You'll also need to think about protection. Life insurance provides financial security for your loved ones if something unexpected happens to you, while health insurance covers medical expenses. Have you explored insurance plans before?
Not really. What types of life insurance do you recommend?
For starters, term life insurance is affordable and offers coverage for a set period. It's perfect for young families. If you're looking for something long-term, whole life insurance provides both protection and cash value growth. Ensuring proper coverage gives you peace of mind, knowing your family's financial future is secure.
I see. And for health insurance?
Look for comprehensive plans that cover hospital stays, doctor visits, and preventative care. Some plans also offer maternity benefits, which can be helpful if you plan to expand your family soon.
That's useful. Let's say I become a parent. What financial steps should I take then?
Becoming a parent is a new chapter. Planning for your children's future becomes crucial. Financial planning here means you can save for their education, extracurricular activities, and other needs, without compromising your family's current lifestyle. Start by setting up a child's savings plan or education fund.
What's the difference between a savings plan and an education fund?
A savings plan is flexible and can be used for various needs, such as school fees, extracurricular activities, or family vacations. An education fund is specifically designed for schooling and may offer tax benefits. You can choose based on your priorities. Having these in place early allows you to give your children the best opportunities as they grow.
That makes sense. What if I want my child to study abroad someday?
Good foresight. Studying abroad requires significant planning, but the rewards are worth it. We offer overseas education savings plans that allow you to invest early and grow funds, specifically for international studies. These often include advisory services to help with applications to foreign universities. Planning ahead ensures that you won't have to compromise on your child's dreams.
That sounds promising. What's next after education planning?
As your child grows, you'll want to prepare for milestones like their college education, career launch, and possibly their wedding. Long-term investment plans can help you grow your wealth steadily for these events. This step is crucial because it balances future aspirations with your current financial well-being.
What type of investments are good for families?
Families often start with low-risk options like fixed deposits and bonds. Once you're more comfortable, mutual funds, exchange trade funds, or even real estate investments can provide higher returns. Diversifying your portfolio is key. By investing wisely, you ensure that your family's financial goals are met without unnecessary risk.
And what about my retirement? I want to plan early for that too.
You're wise to think ahead. Retirement planning is often overlooked when raising a family, but it's just as important. It ensures that you can maintain your lifestyle and independence in your later years. For retirement, I recommend personal retirement accounts, pensions, and long-term investments. Early planning lets compound interest work its magic, ensuring a steady income when you retire.
Compound interest? Could you explain?
Certainly. Compound interest means you earn interest, not just on your initial deposit, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The longer you save, the greater the growth. It's a powerful wealth-building tool. Starting early ensures that small investments today can grow into substantial savings in the future.
That's helpful. How can I keep track of all these plans?
Many banks, including ours, offer financial planning mobile applications that track savings, investments, and expenses. These tools simplify budgeting and ensure you stay on track with your goals. We also provide annual reviews to adjust plans as needed. Regular check-ins are key to staying proactive and adapting to life's changes.
That's reassuring. I now understand why financial planning is so important. It helps secure not just my family's present, but also their future.
Absolutely. Financial planning is the backbone of a strong and happy family. It allows you to build wealth, provide for your loved ones, and handle unexpected challenges without stress. It's a journey, not a one-time task. Shall we start by setting up your emergency fund and exploring insurance options?
Yes, let's do that. Thank you for all the advice.
You're very welcome. Remember, I'm here to assist you at every stage of your journey. Congratulations again on your upcoming wedding, and best wishes for your financial planning and family life ahead.
Making best use of credit card? Top 5 things. How we can make best use of credit card. Number 5. Make full use of the loyalty program. Banks frequently offer promotions to attract credit card application and boost the usage of card spending from customers. We should perform research and understand the rewards that best suit ourselves before applying for credit cards. If we can consolidate the usage of credit cards within 1 or 2 banks, we can easily get more benefits, for example, reward points, cashback, or extra discounts from merchants. We may be able to get double points for gifts redemption and cash rebate based on the purchased amounts. With the adoption of new technology, using mobile wallet is getting popular. In addition to its convenience, we can easily check the latest entitled rewards, for example, e-coupons, discounts, or cashback offered by merchants. As smart consumers, we'll not miss the offers. Starting from today, we should limit ourselves to using 1 or 2 credit cards. In addition to the more benefits from the banks, we can have better management of the accounts and lower the risk of credit card scams. Number 4. Think twice before making purchase or borrowing money. We should spend only when we can afford it. We should not be attracted by different repayment methods offered by the banks, because they ultimately earn our handling fee for late payment. Impulse purchase may lead to your overspending. As smart consumers, we should buy products or services with planning, rather than losing self-control. For example, buy now, pay later is a tempting offer. We can get the goods first, and pay the remaining amounts in several periods later. However, we may not be aware of the underlying interest rate for late payment. Cash advance also charges us a high interest rate. Once we withdraw money from the automatic teller machine, interest fee is counted, starting from the same day. It basically involves borrowing money from the banks, with relatively high interest rate, as compared with personal loan. Starting from today, we should avoid overspending from purchase, as well as making cash advance. Consequently, it can reduce the unnecessary expenditure of interest fee. Number 3. Keep track of credit card balance regularly. We should keep monitoring of our card balance in a regular basis. Due to the increasing credit card scams, we should be alert to suspicious transactions performed by thieves via online. If we are not clear of our financial situation, it's easier for us to fall victim to fraud. Staying alert to our balance is related to the part of our wealth management. It's so convenient for us to check the balance by logging into online or mobile banking nowadays. We should settle our payment on time and avoid unnecessary debt due to the absent-minded reason. It may create troublesome when holding more than 5 credit cards. The reason of logging into internet banking regularly is to check if there are any credit card transactions that are not performed by us. Some banks may send emails or messages notifying us when card spending transactions are made. We should always be alert to such notifications. Starting from today, we should log into internet banking and check the outstanding balance regularly. If we find any abnormal transactions, we should contact our banks for investigation. Number 2. Avoid sharing sensitive information to third parties. We should avoid disclosing our sensitive information to third parties. Information includes personal information and 3-digit number at the back of our credit card. With the growth of credit card scams, our credit card information is as important as our personal information. Scammers can steal our information to make purchase online on behalf of us. To protect ourselves from falling into fraudulent activities, we should beware of the issue and keep the information securely. During making credit card payments via some online portals, we should try to select those platforms with more secure authorization approach, such as two-factor authentication. It means that credit card transaction can only be completed with our additional information provided. For example, one-time password sent out from the credit card company. The thieves cannot steal this additional information easily to complete the purchase of goods. Starting from today, we should not share the sensitive information to third parties. Number 1. Make full payment on time. The interest rate is rather high if we do not make payment before payment due date. We should also not repay minimum balance only, because the outstanding balance will be charged with the high interest rate. As different banks may have different due date, we should be especially cautious when holding more than one credit card. If we hold more than 3 credit cards, we must mark the due date of each bank clearly, set alerts at your mobile phone, or set the payment instructions automatically. If we cannot manage the payment period well, interest fee will accumulate. As time goes by, we may find it difficult to pay off the debt. When the payment history is not under a healthy condition, it will affect the credit score. If we apply for mortgage or personal loan in the future, we'll not get the best interest rate as a consequence. Starting from today, we should make full payment rather than minimum balance. Delayed payment should be avoided for reducing unnecessary interest fee. Giant pandas in Hong Kong.
Hey, guess what? I just visited Ocean Park and met the giant panda twins in Hong Kong.
No way. That's awesome. How was it?
It was amazing. The panda twins greeted the public. They were so adorable.
That sounds so cute. What were they doing?
They were playing on the swing and slide, climbing trees, rubbing their heads, and playing with each other. It was the cutest thing ever.
I can imagine. Did you take any pictures?
Of course. I even took a series of selfies with them. Check this out.
Wow, that are great selfies. They look so fluffy and adorable.
They really are. The pandas were very active and wandering around. It was such a joy to watch them.
Sounds like you had a fantastic time.
It's a great place for family and friends. Even though there are long queues and limited time to stay, it's totally worth it.
Any tips for meeting the panda twins?
Arrive early to avoid long queues, and don't forget your camera. Everyone was in video mode to capture the cute moments.
Great tips. Was the crowd excited?
Absolutely. Cameras were flashing like crazy, especially when the twins were swinging and climbing the tree.
It must be a unique experience to see giant pandas up close. What else did you do there?
I joined a workshop
where we used sterilized giant panda poo to make recycled paper. It was really fun and educational.
Poo paper. It's eco-friendly.
Right. I learned the art of papermaking, while acquiring the diets of giant pandas through interactive games.
That sounds fascinating. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, I bought keychains, postcards and stickers, all from the Giant Pandas edition. They are super cute.
Nice. Did you try any food there?
Yep, I tried some panda-themed hot dishes and desserts. They were both visually appealing and delicious.
What do you mean of visually appealing?
The dishes were featured with different giant panda designs. I've posted them in my social media platforms.
Let me see. Wow, what are adorable dishes.
My kids liked the hot dog, donut and pudding. We had a delightful meal.
Why do you think tourists love the panda twins so much?
Probably because they're so lovable and playful.
So, do you recommend visiting Ocean Park in Hong Kong?
Definitely. It's a great way to spend the weekend and create wonderful memories.
I'm excited already. I'll make sure to visit Ocean Park soon.
You should definitely go. Ocean Park is a family-friendly and educational theme park.
What can my kid explore in the park?
Besides the thrill rides, your kid can get up close with animals and attend various animal exhibitions. He can learn about wildlife conservation.
Outdoor activities are much better than playing online games.
Absolutely. It's great for physical well-being.
It's always a challenge for me to motivate him to exercise regularly.
It's not just your problem. It's a common issue for parents nowadays.
Thanks for sharing your experience. How about we plan a day trip to the park? What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. Can't wait.
The panda twins are just too cute to miss.
You'll love it.
I believe you. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Catch you later.
Bye.